Yeah, I mean, the event was useful. Some good attendees also, interesting topics, and certainly looking forward to attending the next one.
So I thought the event was great because it gave me some tools and resources that I can apply to help with the actual company itself, to grow our team, but also I can apply with our clients and on our projects and try and educate our clients in moving to a more kind of agile way of working as well.
Okay, so today was a fabulous event, thanks to all of the people that were involved in it, and lovely to be able to meet face to face and learn about some of the challenges associated with Agile and leadership today.
Great, well, we're here at the Digital Leadership Forum, and the topic of this session was how to be a purposeful agile leader. We heard some ideas around trust, how as a leader you can develop that with your people. Then we learned about decision making, how to make good quality decisions, and maybe separate the result from the quality of the decision making in the first place, i.e. were you lucky or was it bad luck? And then I ran a little bit of a session on inclusive facilitation for creativity and for generating creative ideas, which was co-facilitated with Jess.